Alright guys, so in today's video we're gonna be talking about some Terra Luna Classic. As we've seen it recently going down, this is the moment to show some belief, to show some of that diamond handing power going into the Terra Luna Classic right now. As well, today we've seen it rally 30%, and as well guys, it is going towards that buy zone or that support that I do think it is a great buy area here on Terra Luna Classic. As we've seen now, Binance is still showing that commitment. Now, Binance just burnt again 5.59 billion Terra Luna Classic tokens, as they do this each month, guys. Each month they burn those Terra Luna Classic they get from those trading fees that happens on Binance. People buying and selling the Terra Luna Classic. They take some of that Terra Luna Classic and they burn it, as their goal here is to burn as many as possible. Now you can see here, so far we've burned 93 billion Terra Luna Classic tokens. Now the reality here is that we need to burn at least 2-3 trillion just to see some real substantial gains on the Terra Luna Classic price. And if we manage to burn 5 trillion, that means Terra Luna Classic will go back to its former glory and maybe go to $100. But for now guys, we just burned 93 billion, which is still a great sign of commitment from Binance. And as well guys, if a coin is being supported by the biggest crypto exchange in the world, which is Binance, and it's trying to burn as many of it as possible, well guys, this is as bullish as it can get for Terra Luna Classic, as it is right now going towards that buy zone. And I am pretty sure now a lot of people were buying the highs again, and now once it's getting down here and it's approaching that juicy dip, a lot of people are not looking at it again. That's how the market works, unfortunately guys. But I'm sure some of you are learning here and starting to learn that you should buy the dips and sell the top, not do the opposite that most people doing. Anyways guys, here we are gonna go through some technical analysis on Terra Luna Classic, which is pretty simple. And we have some crazy news as well going on with Binance, as on my channel I do share with you guys from time to time some crypto gems that you want to get into, get some gains. And as usual, nothing is financial advice on this channel guys. But we have as well recently Binance Labs invests in meme, which is a meme coin or a native token of the meme land from creators of 9gag, which is a meme site. And we have that meme coin website, which seems to be as well a metaverse game or a farming game. So we're gonna go through this as well here guys. We're gonna see what that meme coin is all about. So as usual guys, if you do enjoy this type of content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and check out as well FairDesk if you want to copy my trades, make some gains passively. You don't need no KYC, no VPN. You as well get a bonus on your deposit. I'll leave you the link in the description for those that are interested. So now it's pretty simple when it comes to that Terra Luna Classic guys. Now we can see here Terra Luna Classic is going towards that support again, which is that point of control. Now if we take that fixed range tool that gives us this point of control, now I don't need to remind you here guys that this point of control usually provides a support. Now we can see here we had some sort of a tiny move up, and then we found support here and then a bounce up, which is an ABC move, which is a very kind of bread and butter type of move in the trading verse. And this means we could see the same thing here, a ABC, and we go back, take this high, and we're probably gonna go higher. As usually this means we're gonna take the previous high and go higher when we get those type of moves. Now this, when it comes to the short-term time frame, when I do see that Terra Luna Classic going towards that previous high, and that is a 500% move or a 5x, which is not bad. Now when it comes to that long-term view on Terra Luna Classic and what we could expect, now as I said guys in the beginning of this video, if a large exchange is supporting your coin, it is as bullish as it gets. Now this is not some random group of people or some random investment hedge fund or something like that that is behind Terra Luna Classic, but it is Binance guys, the biggest crypto exchange. And by biggest, I mean when we have a bull market, those big exchanges, they have a large amount of users that are not logged in right now. 90% of the people that joined the crypto space in 2021 are not even looking in their crypto exchanges apps. They are not logging in there. They are busy with TikToks and busy with Instagram or whatnot, but they are not logging into their Binance account. Once we get the bull market, once they see headlines, Bitcoin is approaching 100K, that's when when they're gonna come in, and you can bet, guys, if Binance is supporting Terra Luna Classic, they're gonna do something about it. That as well means we're gonna get large amounts of investors, retail, people joining the markets, people FOMOing into anything. And if we keep seeing those headlines, Binance burning, Terra Luna Classic to $1 and whatnot, we're gonna see some great moves from the Terra Luna Classic going in the future. And as well here, guys, that recent move we seen from the lows that was around 300 or more, 380 or 400% move on Terra Luna Classic. And if you've been following me, I told you guys I'm buying this dip, and as well I bought here, and if it comes back here again, I'm gonna get some more. As I'm buying this Terra Luna Classic for the calls, I just want to hold it and hold millions of those Terra Luna Classic, if not billions, to just say that I hold billions of Terra Luna Classic tokens. I'm ready for that $1, and just to be holding some Terra Luna Classic and feel like you're part of something that could go to $1. But logically thinking, guys, I do think this could pull in some 20x's, 30x's at least here with the bull market and with everything that is going on with Terra Luna Classic. We could see it at least going to the 0001 or even above, which is still a very conservative target here for Terra Luna Classic. I do have as well some pretty bullish targets here for the Terra Luna Classic going ahead. If we keep burning, if we keep seeing that Binance burning and all that going for Terra Luna Classic. Now the most important here, guys, for me and what I am looking at is this is a very normal range, or what we call an accumulation range. These guys usually lead to breakouts to the upside. It might not seem obvious today that this could break out, but once it's gonna happen and once we're gonna see those breakouts happening, then it's gonna seem pretty obvious, and it's gonna seem like this was accumulating. It's pretty obvious as it gets, as Terra Luna Classic is listed on major exchanges like Binance, OKX, KuCoin, Gate.io, BingX, Bybit, Femex, and it has all this stuff going on, and it hasn't even broken yet from that accumulation range. Now we're gonna see a bull market in 2024 going towards the 2025, and that means, guys, everything is gonna be pumping, and we're gonna get those crazy moves in the market that most of you, probably people that joined last year or this year or even in 2022, did not experience these crazy rallies and whatever the craziness that happens in the markets. And that usually, guys, means many of the coins that are listed on big exchanges, they do see some crazy rallies. Now going to today's news, guys. Now you know, guys, I like to find what those big exchanges are doing, what those whales and market makers are doing, because that's where the money is at, and it's not on those little Telegram groups or Twitter groups that buy small meme coins and try to shill your next meme coin. I like to find the meme coins that actually the big players are buying, and today we have meme. So meme coin is basically a meme that got launched by Binance on that Binance launch pad, and recently we've seen it holding pretty well on the top meme tokens list, and right now standing at around $200 million market cap. Now I've been eyeing that meme coin. I wanted to get some, but it's been around the $200 million market cap since it's launched, because it just simply got launched on that Binance launchpad, and there are a lot of whales on that launchpad and whatnot, and they get to buy large amounts and they are hodling, and that did not help the price to drop on that meme coin to get some. But recently now I've been doing some research, and it seems like they have a farming game where it could be farming and doing things and stuff like that, earning some meme, just something like Axie Infinity or something like that. So they do have something going on for them. And we recently today seen this news that Binance Labs invests in meme, which is the native token of meme land from the creators of 9gag. So I do think, guys, this is bullish for this coin, and now this meme coin, guys, here is on the top of my list of coins to buy once we get a dip, as we are due for a dip, and I expect a dip to be coming sooner than later going into 2024, especially on Q1. We could see a dip, and meme here could be a very good pick for that massive bull market coming. So that's when it comes to today's gem, guys. Now, as usual, guys, nothing is financial advice, and if you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comment section. You can join the Discord, link in the description, is free to join. I do share my trades there, and recently we caught some pretty decent gains. And you can as well leave your questions in the comment section. And I want to thank you so much for hanging around here today, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.